This is the installation video of VFD on the Apexa series. As you can see, this is a VFD. We have the cable here, and this is the mount where we need to screw it. So first we need to connect the cable just after the power cord on COM port 4. So once you connect itself, we can see the display. So one thing we need to make sure is the power cable is through the center. So we can attach it here. So after that we need to screw on both ends. Once this is done, we can close the back lid. And as you know, Posbank VFD, we can actually tilt it on both sides as well as top and bottom.